In this video we will cover the basics on how to use a washing machine. We have an Indesit washing machine for demonstration, but the principle is the same for all brands, and we will show a Samsung and LG dispenser drawer example. In order to make the process as simple as possible, we break it into 5 simple steps. 1. For best washing results, separate the clothes by color, dark colors and white. 2. Load the washing machine. 3. Add detergent and the fabric softener. 4. Select a program and washing temperature and start the wash cycle. Finally, number 5. Unload the washing machine. Now for step 1, in order to get the best results, it is preferred to separate the clothes by color. That is very important, especially with bright colors such as red that can bleed to other clothes. In our case, we have bed sheets and pillowcases. We wash them all together using a color catcher. For step 2, we open the door by pulling on the handle, and that activates this lever here. Some washing machines may have a button to release the door. Now load all the clothes. Step 3, we add the detergent and fabric softener. If you use a liquid detergent with a container, you put it inside the washing chamber if your washing machine is using this type of drawer. But don't forget, we cannot use a program with pre-wash cycle, as the detergent will drain out in the pre-wash phase. Now in the drawer we put powdered detergent and the fabric softener. Most of the washing machines have their drawer compartments numbered, as you can see here. This is 1, 2, and here we get the symbol for the fabric softener. 1 is for the pre-wash and 2 is for the main wash cycle that most programs use. We put 1 scoop of detergent, one good scoop, you don't want to drop it in the fabric softener, as I did of course. And then we're going to use half a cup of fabric softener. Do not fill over the max indicator, as it will immediately drain in the drum. Close the drawer, and now we're going to take a look at LG drawers and Samsung for a moment. Here is the Samsung Type 1. You see the compartment numbers 1, 2 and 3. Here is Samsung number 2 type. You can also see the compartment's number. And finally, here is the LG one. All the compartments number as well. For all those, you can use liquid detergent in the dispenser, but you cannot use washing tablets. For those, you have to put them inside the drum. Now let's close our door. So with this button we switch on the washing machine, and now it's time to select our wash program. In simple words, longer program's duration produces better wash results. Don't forget, 1/3 of the wash program is the rinse and spin cycle, so a 60-minute program will wash the clothes for about 40 minutes. Now the temperature selection is probably the most important part of our wash cycle, as selecting the wrong temperature will damage our clothes. It is always a good practice to consult the labels on the clothes for washing directions, but in order for this video to be as simple as possible, we won't get into that. So 30 degrees Celsius, about 86 Fahrenheit is the safest choice for our temperature. In our case we select 40, and now we start the wash cycle by pressing the button. At this moment the door should lock and the door lock light must be lit. If it is not lit, we may have not closed the door properly, so give it a push, and there we go. Now the wash cycle has started and water is entering the washing machine. That is absolutely normal. It will fill a bit of water and then take the detergent as well. I'm going to leave the camera recording the program. Here we can see the stage: pre-wash, wash, rinse and spin. So at this point the washing machine has finished. All the lights are off except the door lock light. That takes a couple of minutes to release the door after the wash has finished. Let's wait and see when it is open. There we go. The door is unlocked, the light is blinking, and now we can open the door. The clothes are almost dry. Most of the water has gone away with the spin cycle, and now we are ready to hang the clothes to dry totally. That was all for today. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and please consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!